Welcome to the world of business. Kenya is set to join the League of the Semiconductors manufacturers and exporters following a deal that has been signed to set up a facility at DeST-Park Science and Technology Park in Nyeri County. An Australian developer of green supply chain infrastructure and Semiconductor Technologies LLC are investing in 14.85 billion shillings in construction of the facility that is expected to start operations by mid next year.
A deal has been signed for investment of 54 billion shillings in the construction and development of semiconductors and microchips in Africa over the next 6 years. The first two of such facilities will be constructed at the DeST-Park Science and Technology Park in Nyeri County.
Technology are extremely complicated, sometimes extremely expensive, and they actually require developers that have a keen eye on energy, on operating cost, on the real estate, on the green spaces, because we are looking to be the premier manufacturer of green semiconductors in the continent. What makes STL in Kenya, in DeST-Park unique is because we're on the equator, which means we do not suffer the extremes of climate.
The 14.85 billion shillings project in Kenya is expected to drive the country's green industrialization goals, transformative supply chain diversification, job creation, and the advancement of Kenya's position as Africa's silicon savannah.
The total value of that is about $400 million in debt and equity over the next 10 years. One of the things that sets EVU apart from other developers and financiers of real estate assets, specifically industrial, is that environmental sustainability is at the core of what we do. And so we've committed by 2040 to have net zero emissions, operational emissions, and I'm talking about scope 2 and scope 3, indirect and direct emissions by 2040.
Continuing CTI's mission to not only promote workforce development, but also demystify science and empower Africans. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime.